New York City's Jamaica Bay. 25,000 acres of wetlands, grasslands, open water, uplands, and dunes. Jamaica Bay provides habitat for over 300 species of birds.
Jamaica Bay is a treasure for all New Yorkers. It's not only a globally important bird area, it's the most important place in New York City for birds.
Hundreds of thousands of shorebirds, waterfowl, songbirds, and raptors depend on Jamaica Bay's plant and marine life for sustenance. But the life of the bay hangs in the balance, and 1/3 of the bird population is endangered.
In addition to climate change, sea level rise, we also have marsh loss, which is a major problem in losing habitat. There's a lot of pollution. There's combined stormwater overflows that empty into the bay with a high level of nitrogen present in the water. There is loss of oxygen in the water. There's human disturbance.
If the current trends continue, Jamaica Bay's salt marshes could disappear entirely by 2025. New York City Audubon is addressing these threats to Jamaica Bay and working with agency and nonprofit partners to protect and restore the health of the bay for future generations. For over a decade, New York City Audubon researchers and volunteers have monitored herons and egrets in the bay.
New York City Audubon is interested in herons in Jamaica Bay because they serve as an indicator, a bio-indicator, of the health of their habitat, or the health of the whole bay.
With the Trust for Public Land, New York City Audubon published Buffer the Bay, a conservation plan to protect the bay's watershed. New York City Audubon has worked to restore habitat at Bayswater Point State Park and DuBose Point Wetlands Sanctuary. New York City Audubon is also removing invasive species and restoring the increasingly rare grassland habitat for birds at Floyd Bennett Field. To help improve conditions for shorebirds on their 1,000-mile migrations, Audubon, in partnership with the American Littoral Society and volunteers, clean beaches and restore habitat for horseshoe crabs.
We see shorebirds migrating through Jamaica Bay, and a lot of those species are in trouble. In fact, most of the shorebird species are in trouble. And Jamaica Bay, by providing horseshoe crabs and horseshoe crab eggs, serves as an important resource to these birds on their migration up to the breeding grounds up north.
Jamaica Bay is a place where all New Yorkers can connect with and discover the wonders of nature. Help New York City Audubon to ensure that Jamaica Bay remains a healthy, beautiful destination for birds and bird watchers for generations to come.